In silicon architectures, APIs are crucial for running applications because they allow developers to capture the requirements of the underlying hardware details quickly. It makes it possible to write applications, which can then get ported to different silicon architectures with relatively little effort. Each silicon architecture has its own set of APIs the vendor provides. The CPU API allows developers to access the CPU's registers, memory, and other resources. The GPU API will enable developers to render graphics and perform other graphics-intensive tasks. The CPU and GPU markets are well established, with vendors providing a detailed API to make the most of the underlying architecture and enabling easy application portability and reusability. Lately, there has been a surge in performance-oriented silicon architectures. These ASIC architectures mix the best CPUs, GPUs, FPGAs, and other compute elements into single-die or multi-die systems. However, the most fundamental aspect these new architectures need is the easy-to-use silicon API, which is crucial for faster adoption. As the semiconductor computing industry speeds up the adoption of more customized chips, the focus should also be on ensuring the APIs are easy to use and reduce application portability time and complexity. Otherwise, the custom chip domain will suffer from software bottleneck, rather than silicon.